Ghost has great SEO tools out of the box, but without connecting to Google Search Console, you can't actually see how well your titles and tags are performing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ghost to the Google Search Console, and the best part is, this is really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do this in less than 5 minutes. The reason this is so important is because you can write a great post, but if people can't find that post organically, what does it really matter? So to make this work, you'll need two things: a Ghost site. If you don't have a Ghost site yet, I do have an affiliate link in the description for you. And you need a Google account that you can get to the Search Console from. I recommend opening up two tabs in your browser, and the first one we want to open is the Ghost admin panel. So down at the bottom, you just want to click the gear here and go ahead and click code injection, because that's what we'll be using. I'm going to tab over to my other window. This is the Google Search Console. You can do this by just searching for Google Search Console. search.google.com/search-console is the actual address, but it's just easier just to search this. Once you're here, you want to click add a property. If you already have any properties, obviously you'll see this screen, but if you don't, you'll probably see something like this pop up. The easiest way I found to do it is to click URL prefix and enter your address here. So I'm going to enter a fake one because I've already got Ghost set up with this. So I'm just going to enter example.org. It's important to make sure you have https://. I would just go back to your main Ghost site and just copy that if that's the way you want to do it. So we hit continue. It's going to come up here. And the way I generally recommend is to go to the HTML tag. This is probably the easiest one. I actually did DNS, but this works just as well. So you want to copy this, and then you want to go back to your Ghost header. You want to put this in the site header section. And so I would just paste this here and I would click save. I'm not going to do this because I've already got it set up and I obviously don't have example.org. Once you've saved that, come back and you click verify. And it may take a time or two because sometimes it takes a few minutes for the files to fully refresh on the server, but eventually this should verify and you should start being able to see your site getting crawled by the search engine. And as a bonus tip, the other cool thing about this is if you have something like Plausible, I have plausible.io. If you end up going to site settings, you can click Search Console and you can connect your Google account here and then pick the appropriate property down at the bottom and click save, and it will start importing that. And right here, I can just click Google and then I can see all the search results that have led to my site. The other cool thing about this is, if you sign up for Plausible, you just need to add the string to the site header. This is the Plausible one right here. So it's the exact same spot for the Google Search Console. And it's really as simple as that. It really sounds like a very intimidating task, but it's a very easy one that can give you great insight. And you don't have to use Plausible for the analytics. A lot of people are going to be using Google Analytics, and you can pull the Search Console results in there too, but I prefer Plausible just because of the open source nature of Plausible, and I don't have any affiliate link. In fact, there are no affiliate links for Plausible. You know, if you want to use it, go for it. And of course, I'll have links to Google Search Console, Ghost, and Plausible down in the description below. Check them out and let me know what you think. What other questions do you have about Ghost? I feel like there's a lot of different directions that I could potentially go with it, and so I'm curious to see what other people that are interested in Ghost content want to see. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.